How can I reset my iPhone voicemail password?
Hello there. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to reset your iPhone voicemail password. If you've forgotten it or just want to update it for security reasons, these steps will help you out. Remember, keeping your password secure and updated is crucial for protecting your privacy.
What do you need?
Before we start, make sure you have your iPhone at hand and a strong, unique password in mind. We recommend that your new password is at least 6 digits long and doesn't contain easily guessable combinations like 123,456 or your birthday.
How to access your iPhone's phone app?
1. The first step is simple. Unlock your iPhone and find the green icon that represents the phone app. It's usually found at the bottom of the screen in the dock. 2. Tap on this icon to open your phone app.
Navigating to the Change Voicemail Password option.
1. Once you have the phone app open, you'll find a variety of options at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the option that says Voicemail. 2. In the voicemail section, you'll see a list of your voicemail messages. However, we're interested in the settings, so look for and tap on Greeting in the top left corner of the screen. 3. This will open a new page. Tap on Change Voicemail Password.
Setting your new voicemail password.
1. After tapping on Change Voicemail Password, you'll be prompted to enter your new password. Remember, it should be something strong and unique. 2. After typing it in, you'll be asked to re-enter your new password for confirmation. 3. Tap Done when you're finished. And that's it. You've successfully reset your iPhone voicemail password. Now, your voicemails are secure with a fresh password that only you know. Remember to change your voicemail password regularly to ensure maximum security. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one.